Washington, located in the Pacific Northwest of the United States, has long remained a region with natural beauty and cultural interest. From the majestic summits of the Cascades to the depths of Puget Sound, this state's mysteries continue to astound scientists, adventurers, and curious minds alike. In recent years, the attention has shifted to a number of spectacular discoveries that have arisen from this diverse landscape, enthralling people throughout the world. So, what new secrets has Washington disclosed? How do these discoveries influence our view of history, nature, and the future? A buried volcanic network. The story emerges with the recent discovery of a massive volcanic network beneath Washington's surface. Researchers used improved seismic imaging to find evidence of interconnecting magma chambers running throughout the Cascade Range. This network reveals a significantly more dynamic volcanic system than previously thought, with implications for the region's geological stability, as well as the possibility of future eruptions. Unlike Mount St. Helens' 1980 explosion, which radically transformed the terrain, these buried chambers appear to be interconnected, establishing what some geologists refer to as a magma highway. This discovery calls into doubt our understanding of volcanic activity in the Pacific Northwest, posing questions about how magma migration may affect surface geology over millennia. Ancient underwater forests. Divers in Puget Sound have discovered an amazing find. Submerged forests date back thousands of years. These ancient tree trunks, preserved in extraordinary detail, offer a peek into a time when sea levels were much lower and the shoreline stretched far beyond its current bounds. These trees are thought to have been submerged after a big earthquake and subsequent land subsidence, a common occurrence in structurally active areas such as Washington. The preserved wood provides information about the ecology and temperature during the period when these trees thrived. Some samples point to a cooler, wetter climate, supporting beliefs concerning regional climatic shifts during the Holocene epoch. Mysterious undersea sounds. Researchers recorded a sequence of strange underwater noises off the coast of Washington near the Juan de Fuca Plate. These low-frequency sounds, known as the Washington Whispers, have perplexed experts and inspired extensive conjecture about their origins. Hypotheses range from geological activity to the existence of unidentified aquatic living forms. However, no definite answer has emerged. The sounds were originally noticed by improved hydrophones during routine ocean monitoring. Researchers studied the sound patterns and discovered a link to nearby deep-sea thermal vents. This has led some scientists to propose that the noises could be linked to gas escaping from undersea fractures or hydrothermal activity. However, another group of experts speculates that the sounds may be biological in origin, potentially the calls or movements of new deep-sea creatures. Adding to the mystery, the frequency and intensity of the sounds appear to change, with some periods of silence lasting weeks before the noises return. With only a fraction of the ocean floor explored, researchers are working to determine whether the Washington Whispers represent a natural geological process, a biological anomaly, or something entirely unknown. This discovery highlights the vast enigmas that remain in the deepest parts of our planet's waters, promoting ongoing debates and studies among oceanographers, geologists, and biologists alike. There are fossilized remains in the Cascades. Recent research in the Cascade foothills has uncovered a treasure mine of fossils, including those of a until now undiscovered species of enormous bird. These amazingly well-preserved bones show that the bird, most likely an apex creature at the time, had a wingspan of almost 20 feet, making it one of the largest avian species ever unearthed. The skeletal structure, which includes expanded wing bones and a stronger sternum, suggests a strong flying capable of long-distance flying or swooping techniques to catch prey. Its serrated beak suggests that it may have scavenged as well as preyed. The discovery brought back disputes regarding the region's prehistoric ecosystems and the interactions of huge predators and their surroundings. Some paleontologists think that the bird's size and form indicate a predatory existence. Others believe it was largely a scavenger, feeding on carcasses abandoned by other predators. In any case, its presence gives a vivid picture of the Pleistocene era in what is now the Pacific Northwest, when the region was teeming with massive species and a diverse ecosystem. A buried glacial lake. Ground-penetrating radar in eastern Washington discovered a vast underground glacial lake that had been hidden beneath layers of sediment for thousands of years. This ancient lake, believed to have formed during the last ice age, is a unique discovery that sheds light on the region's geological past and the enormous forces that molded its stunning landscapes. The lake's large size and borders indicate that it formerly held massive amounts of water, most likely fed by glacial melt during periods of major climatic change. The lake's sediments contain a wealth of information, including tiny fossils, pollen grains, and mineral deposits that provide crucial insights into prehistoric ecosystems and climate conditions. These deposits depict an Ice Age ecosystem teeming with life, with the lake possibly serving as a critical supply for megafauna such as mammoths, mastodons, and saber-toothed cats. The rich nutrients in its waters, as well as the vegetation along its waterfront, most likely made it a hub for predators and prey, resulting in a vibrant and complex ecosystem. Initial investigation suggests that the lake could potentially give a detailed record of climatic fluctuations spanning thousands of years, demonstrating how glacial cycles and environmental changes influence the region. Such discoveries are critical to comprehending not only the past, but also the probable future repercussions of climate variability. The discoveries that originate in Washington are far more than just scientific triumphs. They are symbols of the state's everlasting mystery and wonder. From centuries-old forests to volcanic networks, each finding contributes a new layer to our comprehension of this extraordinary region. Now that has brought us to the end of this video. So, what are your thoughts about today's video? Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon for more updates. See you in the next one.